Finding directions. We know there are 4 directions: north, south, east, and west. But how do we find these directions? It is easy to find directions in the morning. If you stand facing the morning sun and stretch out your hands, your left is north, right is south, your front is east, and your back is west. Hence, we can roughly find out the 4 directions with the help of the sun in early morning. But is it possible to find these directions at any other time during the day or night? Let us perform a simple activity to find the directions more accurately. Take a bar magnet. Put a mark on one of its ends for identification. Now, tie a thread at the middle of the magnet so that you can suspend it from a stand. When the magnet is at rest, mark both points on the ground. To show the position of the magnet ends, draw a line joining these 2 points. This line shows the direction in which the magnet was pointing in its position at rest. Now, gently push one end of the magnet so that it rotates in any direction. After some time, it comes to rest. Again, mark the position of both ends. We find that the magnet comes to rest in the same direction as it was resting initially. Now, try to rotate the magnet in other directions and note the final direction in which it comes to rest. We find bar magnet always shows the same direction when it is at rest. Now, replace the magnet with another heavy object like an iron bar. Mark the initial direction shown by this iron rod. When we push this iron bar gently, it rotates for some time. When it comes to rest, it shows some different direction. Hence, we can see that the bar magnet has some unique property due to which it always comes to rest in the same direction. By performing this activity in the morning sun, we can find that the direction in which the bar magnet comes to rest is north-south direction. The end of the magnet that points toward north is called the north-seeking end. It is also called north pole of the magnet, while the other end is called south-seeking end or south pole of the magnet. Magnets of all shapes have these 2 poles, which are usually marked N, that is north, and S, that is south. Because of this unique property, a magnet is used to develop a device called compass. A compass has a dial with directions marked on it. A magnetized needle is pivoted inside the box in such a way that it can rotate freely. North of the needle is painted with different color to identify north pole of the magnet. The compass is then covered with glass. The compass is kept at the place where we want to know the directions. The needle of compass indicates the north-south direction. When it comes to rest, compass is then rotated until north and south marked on the dial coincide with the direction shown by the needle. Hence, we are now able to determine all the directions. A compass is widely used by travelers to find the directions accurately.